Everyone, and welcome back to my holiday organizing tip series where I upload an organizing tip daily to hopefully help you gain a little more organization this holiday season. Now before I get started, I want to apologize. I did not upload a tip yesterday. And the only thing I can say, I don't want to go into a long explanation, but something in life happened and I wasn't able to finish the editing. So what I thought I'd do is maybe this coming Tuesday, I'll upload 2 tips. We'll make it a 2 for Tuesday, okay? So be sure to check back on that. All right, the subject I want to talk about in this tip is about your holiday budget. Nothing throws organization off more than when you face the new year behind the 8 ball with your budget. So there are 3 tips I want to offer you today to keep your budget under control this holiday season. Okay, the first tip I want to offer you is to start with a holiday budget in mind, okay? Now I created this template. You've been hearing me talk about it through this whole series that I've created a 55-page downloadable PDF filled with all sorts of organizing templates just like this. And if you want to get that PDF, I will put the link in the description box below and also in the comments below. Go get it. It'll help you achieve the organization you're looking for throughout the holidays. And like I said, one of the templates I created was a budget template where you start out saying, this is what I actually can afford this holiday season. Put it right there up at the top. Once you've calculated the maximum you will spend this holiday season, you can divvy it up with all the people you want to give gifts to. You know, I have it for family, friends, businesses, and I go into gift wrapping expenses and cards and decorations, entertainment, travel, and any miscellaneous expenses you might have. Get it on paper and stick to that budget. So that's the first tip I want to offer you, is to have an actual budget ahead of time. The second tip I want to offer you is for those of you who will be going out to the stores to shop. And if you are going out to the stores, what I recommend, in the past what I have done is I will put cash in an envelope, and I will actually have a separate envelope for everyone I am planning to shop for on that shopping trip. So I go back to my budget list, see how much I've allotted for that person, and I put the cash in the envelope, and that is all I spend. So that is another tip you can use to help keep your budget in line this holiday season. Okay, so my third tip is for anyone shopping online. Now that's where you can really lose control of your budget, because you'll happen to scroll past something that is just adorable for someone, and even if it's outside your budget, you will click put it in your cart, right? So what I usually do, especially like if I'm on Amazon, they will have a filters bar on the side that you can actually say, show me only these things within this price range. And I click on that right away. So if I'm shopping for one of my kids, I will go to that filters bar and I will select only show me items in this price range. It really helps keep me from impulse buying when I come across something that is out of my budget. Okay, so there are the 3 tips. Make a budget out. If you are going out to the stores, carry envelopes of cash. I know it's not a popular idea, but it'll help you keep your budget under control. And if you are shopping online, use the filters tabs that most websites have, where you can put a price range of what they are going to show you right up front before you start scrolling. Okay, I hope this tip helped. For more organizing tips and all those templates I talked about, I will leave the link to my PDF down in the description box below. Go check it out. I think it can really help you out. Take care, and I will see you tomorrow.